This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Another Love on a Roblox piano. First, launch Roblox and select a game that includes a virtual piano. Once inside the game, ensure your audio settings are correctly configured so you can hear your beautiful music. Then, simply walk up to the piano and interact with it to bring up the musical keyboard interface. This sets the stage for your performance. Now, let's understand the keyboard layout. Most Roblox pianos map their keys directly to your computer's keyboard. You'll typically find middle C, a crucial starting point, near the A or S keys. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with where the white and black keys are positioned. This quick orientation will help you accurately locate the notes needed for the song's melody. Let's dive into the melody of Another Love. The iconic opening starts with a repeating three-note sequence. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. These are key to making the song sound authentic and smooth. Begin by practicing each small section at a very slow pace. Once comfortable, slowly increase your speed until the melody flows naturally and beautifully. To enrich your performance, consider adding simple chords. These can provide a fuller, more resonant sound to Another Love. Typically, you'll use your left hand for the chords and your right hand to play the melody. Remember, consistent practice is vital. Dedicate about 10 to 15 minutes each day, and you'll notice significant improvement in your playing ability very quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.